I think so. I mentioned that Ralph Ellison was a really important figure for me in my book, Talking to Strangers. And of course, Ralph Ellison's novel, Invisible Man, has this theme of invisibility at its center. So for me, the Black Metropolis Research Consortium is about ending invisibility for African American history within American cultural life. Um, so that mission about ending invisibility and its importance is one that I hope archivists, regardless of what area they work on, will take to heart. And the questions of invisibility are relevant not just to African American history, they're relevant to so many different parts of our cultural history. But the idea that America has this pluralistic, incredibly diverse history, and also it's a shared history. The only way it can be shared if it's all visible. So I think it's that kind of lesson about the relationship between visibility and a shared culture that I hope people will take away. We need visibility for all of America's communities if we're going to have a chance of knitting something together where we are sharing power and responsibility, to quote Martin Luther King Jr.